Chapa phethu kunjani igama Remington Mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one. Bafethu we have a special guest ke futhi ngeke introduce. Awubatshela.
Ngiyabingelela kubabukeli be-Football Fusion, igama ulethu ukuthula umfoka Bhovungane usibisi le phansi enquthu.
Izisho madoda. So bafethu in this video we're going to talk about Equity and Arrows up against Kaizer Chiefs. PSL sibuyile. Sean Kateli AFCON ngoba South Africa yaphuma early. Bafethu before we get any further, this video is sponsored by U22Bet. So bafethu to get 100% bonus, you just need to go to 22bet.com and register using the promo code yethu Fusion22. That's it bafethu. Bet responsibly. Let's get to it, Baba. Sibuyile PSL Kaizer Chiefs up against Equity and Arrows. We know it's second leg because Kaizer Chiefs did play with Golden Arrows in the first round. So what's your take going to this game?
It's nice ukuthi sibuye ekhaya. We've been focusing on continent for quite a long time, and njengoba usho having is iBafana Bafana having been relegated from competition. Yeah, so it's gonna be nice to focus on local football, and again, an interesting game for Khosi Nation. I think izoba igame emnandi. Both teams are hungry for a win. Both teams abavalanga unyaka on a positive note. Players are well rested, and we hope ukuthi we're gonna kickstart the second leg with a buzz.
Okay, I hear you. But let's look at this. You're talking about these teams, both players from both teams, they've been rested.
Yeah.
But do you think maybe they need that thing that would click to say we're back to the PSL? Are they on form to say we can continue where we left?
It would depend on our preparations abenzeka during the break. I guess we're gonna wait and see ukuthi coach what they have been working on during the break. New strategies maybe, because we as we recall Lama Team 02, they didn't score so many goals in the past 3 games, in the last games of the season. Kahle kahle. So I would be interested to see ukuthi imaphi ama-improvements azobe khona going forward, especially with striking force for both teams. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs has got some quality and interesting forwards, but they haven't been producing goals, and the Golden Arrows hasn't been sharp at all in front of goal. If you have seen games, they play quite an interesting football, but goals have not been coming their way. So yes, izoba khona leyo nto unfitness kuma players because baphuma kwi-festive and all of that, but most into ebaluleke kakhulu ama-strategies ocoach abazoza nawo ekumele siwabone ukuthi ama-improvements akhona noma awekho na.
Yeah, as much as babuya breaking, I've seen both teams. They were playing friendly games. I've seen Golden Arrows playing friendly games, scoring goals, winning. I've seen Kaizer Chiefs. Even though Kaizer Chiefs is a secretive team, they want to tell us, but we know they play cheaper too. I've seen a Golden Arrows winning match with Devon City 4-3 type of thing. So now they're going to play a different game whereby they're gonna be having our fans. And do you think these games will reflect what they prepared, or this game is gonna be different?
Uma ukhuluma ukuthi both teams scored goals kuma friendly abo, that tells me ukuthi there is some improvement in front of goals. So for both sides, so kuzoba interesting ukubona ukuthi does that translate to now competitive matches, because you know ukuthi ama-friendlies sometimes coach basuke bezama ama-strategies, trying new things, trying new players and all of that, but does that translate to a competitive match? And if they introduce new names into a starting lineup, we know Kaizer Chiefs hasn't played some of the names abawathengile
Yeah.
during before kuqala
Yeah,
isizini.
yeah.
Yes. So it would be interesting ukubona ukuthi are they introducing those names now? Yini esishintshile leyenza ukuthi during ama-friendly bekwazi ukuskora amagoli that has not been happening during i-season or towards the end of the season.
Before we move forward, I just wanna check something here.
Yeah.
They are
Yeah.
able to score goals, right?
Yeah.
We both agree.
Yeah.
But I've seen a score of 4-3 from Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
They are winning. And I've seen a score of 2-2 from
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs. Which means as much as they are scoring goals, they're still considering.
Mm.
How about the defense?
Again, it talks to ama issues, or in the case of Kaizer Chiefs, it talks to ama issues, ama injuries, talks to ama issues, ama combinations.
Yeah.
Because one of the determining factor of ukuthi i-defense yenu solid kangakanani, it's ama combinations and understanding between abadlali abasuke befakiwe ngaleso sikhathi. Unfortunately, I didn't see their friendly. I would be interested to see ukuthi imaphi lama combinations abebewazama during i-festive season lawa, because if ama-strikers ekora and kuvulekile emumva, it means ikhona inkinga ekhona.
Yeah.
It might be inkinga yokuthi midfield yethu is not holding firm or i-backline yethu iyavuza. So I think our coach, they had time to fix that. And also in the case of the Arrows, to concede 3 goals, even if you're winning, but you've conceded a lot of goals, you might not be able to get more goals against another team. Yeah. And end up losing the match altogether. So I think both teams have got lokho kuba shaking ukuthi they are conceding, but it's good that they've improved in terms of scoring goals. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I hear all of that. But now the 6th January, actually.
Yeah.
We've seen other teams signing abadlali try to boost their squad and all that. But surprisingly, with Kaizer Chiefs and Golden Arrows, we haven't heard anything. Are they saying you don't fix it if it's not broken, or what's the story?
I think they are comfortable, or they are happy with the
Are
squad
they getting the
abanaso.
results they want?
They're not getting the results. It might be an issue of not getting the right combinations. Ukungayimakethe that ku-communicator leyo nto ukuthi we haven't got the right combinations. We haven't got the right pairing in certain positions. If we can work around that, maybe we can get it right as time goes by. In the case of Kaizer Chiefs, I do believe ukuthi they've got a squad. Banayo i-depth esquadini sabo. Abangasebenzisa, it's just to get ama-combinations are right, especially in the midfield, because defensively all the players ababa-introducile bafike bawenza umsebenzi. So it may be an issue of ukuthi bahlushwa ama-injuries and all of that, but in the midfield I think the coaches need to do better.
Okay, speaking of it, depth, Kaizer Chiefs, right? And speaking with, they do have the squad.
Yeah.
My problem with them that I want to have a say on it is that okay, let's say Baba is starting 11 that we think mhlambe isona kumele ngabasebenzisa, and then they chop and change time and again. Even now they're going back to PSL. I'm sure you can't even tell me who's going to be there on the starting 11.
True.
What's your take on that they keep on chopping and changing?
Ilende ngisho ukuthi yama combinations ukuthi it looks like even sebeyitholile i-combination esithi masibuka as fans sithi okay, this one
getting somewhere.
Yeah, it's taking yabo. I was happy with the combination kaNgcobo no Cele.
Yes.
They are both ball players. They gave us a possession. When you have got possession, you are in control of the game. Anything can happen. Yabo. But they keep changing lama combinations, kugcina ingekho i-consistency, yabo. So I am hopeful ukuthi coach, they are gonna come up with ama combinations are right this time around, or we might as well look at changing a technical team if it doesn't work, because I really believe ukuthi ama-players abanawo,
we do have quality.
we do have quality.
Yeah.
We should be getting results, especially in certain games. Yeah.
Yeah. So before I let you go, so mind you, it's this game which is the first in this new year. What's the score prediction?
Yo,
Be realistic.
I think Kaizer Chiefs is gonna win this one 2-1.
2-1.
Yeah.
Buffet, you heard it there. So to Buffet, Kaizer Chiefs would win 2-1 this game. As soon as you're going to team, Buffet, don't forget 22bet. More follow register. A link is down to you in the comment. See you on another one.